Yeah, good evening. In the last videos, sir, just we started arrays, right? Arrays data structure. So when compared with other programming languages, so how Java arrays are going to be treated? Introduction to array, and we have discussed what are the advantages are there in arrays, what disadvantages are there in arrays, how to declare an array, and how to perform creation of an arrays. Okay, then initialization of an array, how you can able to do all these three activities by using a single line. Okay, so next and after that we have seen length identifier, how it is going to work, and index concept. Since we are dealing with index concept, there may be a chance of getting array index out of bound exception. And while creating an array, if you are providing any negative size, we will get negative array size exception. Then how to perform reading and writing array elements. Sir, this is the important activity, and even we have discussed about that in the last video very clearly. Okay, so how you can able to read the element? The only option which we have is a scanner. Of course we have even that buffered reader is there, and a console is also there, but there are some problems with those, right? Okay, I think you know very well about that. Console and buffered reader are going to read the data in the form of characters and strings. It is not providing support for all the primitives. So for that, Java people introduced this scanner class just as a utility function. Okay, so in this we have so many functions are there. Okay, so we have discussed it very clearly in the last video. I don't want to prolong. And how to write array elements? Sir, we have index concept is there. So if you know how many elements are there, one by one we can print, no problem at all. Then we can also use while loop, and we can go with for loop, and we can go with for each loop. So mainly we will concentrate these two, right? Then, sir, we have seen very clearly a simple example program how you can able to access the elements. So these are the things which we covered in the last video. Sir, today I am going to explain some programmatic examples of these things, sir. Okay, so means we can able to say we are going to talk about the programs related to this. Okay, sir, some programs I will execute, and some programs so you have to do by yourself. So write a Java program or implement a program and algorithm, sir, to read and read and write array elements. Okay, program to perform read and write elements. So already we discussed this. I think no need to talk about this. Then, sir, program to calculate, okay, program to calculate sum of elements so present in an array. Sir, I want to calculate some of the elements present in an array. Okay, sir, how you can able to do this activity? Sir, it is very simple. If you want to calculate some of elements in array, sir, the program is the same. Whatever program we have taken, the same program up to this. So first we have to read array size, and we have to create an array. Then we need to read the elements, and I think display is not required. I am removing this. Okay, so here also display is not required. I am removing this. Sir, for this we have two versions of programs are there. One is nothing but what, sir, we can do in two ways. What is the first one? Sir, by using for loop you can do, and the second one is nothing but sir, by using for each loop you can do. Of course, rest of the things also possible. I am not concentrating more on this. So which one is recommended means anything, sir, based on our convenient. Okay, sir, additionally you required one more variable. Let it be sum is equal to 0. Sir, after reading array elements, what is your task? Sir, my sum is equal to 0. Okay, then, sir, take the index value from I to how many elements are there? I plus plus. So what activity you have to do? You need to add the elements one by one to the array, sir. I mean to the sum, and finally we have to print the value of array. Sir, I am not going in detail into this. Okay, so initially what will be the value of sum? Sir, my initial sum is equal to 0. Maybe consider I am going to provide three elements in the array. The elements are nothing but So 11, 10, 12, something like this. So first it will take the first element. Previously sum is equal to 0. This 11 will be added so that you will get 11. Sir, one more element we are taking second time. We are going to add to this so that we will get a 21. Sir, one more element we are taking. Sir, we will add this and we are going to get something like a 33. Right? So this is nothing but the updated, because next time it won't work and it will print the output as 33. A simple Java program, sir. Okay, a simple Java program. That is, we implemented the algorithm, of course. Now, so let us go with execution of this one, sir. How you can able to do? Sir, Java C test.java I am taking. Yes, perfectly compiled. Java space test. So enter array size. I am giving 5 elements. So it is asking for 5 elements. So 12, sir, 10, 3, and then 11. So then, sir, something like 13. Like this I am giving. Sir, the sum what we got is nothing but 49. Okay. Sir, it performed addition of all the elements whatever you have given in the array. Sir, simple operation. Okay. So simple operation, basic operation, a simple operation we have done. Okay. Right. So I think you got very clear clarity how you can able to use the index concept here. Right. So do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this. Right. So this one is we are declaring sum as initially 0 and I variable, and I am creating an array. Okay. Already in the last class, I explained very clearly how we can able to create an array. Okay. So next program, sir, same program to calculate sum of even elements. Similarly, program to calculate a sum of odd elements. So program to calculate a sum of positive elements. So program to calculate a sum of negative elements. So program to calculate a sum of elements. So which are, okay, which are so divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So next program to calculate a sum of prime elements. Okay. So program to calculate a sum of all elements. Okay. All elements factorials. Okay. So next, so like this you can able to calculate. So I think you people will design this program, sir. So the logic is very simple for all these programs. Sir, what is the general logic? You need to take sum is equal to 0 initially. So for I is equal to 0, I less than whatever array you have taken, that length I plus plus. So inside this, just you need to check one condition. So if your condition is satisfied, then only you have to perform this activity. What is that condition? Depending on your logic, sir. And finally, sir, SOP, system.out.println sum. Sir, what is that dash dash dash? So if you want, you can check is even function. Okay, just you have to pass the number. Okay, so whether it is even number or not, it will return. So like you can take is odd. Sir, is a prime function. Okay, so is positive, is positive. Okay, is positive. Sir, is negative. Okay, is negative. So is a prime already we have taken. So some we can declare. Okay, etc. Like this, make it as a suitable functions and try to implement this program. I'm not going to write this. I think you people can design this implementation, sir. Right? Will you do these programs or not? Can you please confirm? Yes. So try to do the programs and but try to post, I mean, at least if you are facing any problem, so try to post it on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so if you have done the program, don't post it on WhatsApp group. Okay, so once if you got the solution, don't post. If you are having doubts, then only post, because some people will be there like me, they are going to copy the code and they will paste. Okay, that is not good. At least you have to try one program, then you people will get some idea, right? Yeah, I think for everything, I think I have added in WhatsApp group, sir. I have added today also, I added almost 20 members. So almost I have added. Maybe if one or two members are missed, I will add. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, I will add. I will add. If you have already sent the message, so I will recheck it and once I will add. Okay, right. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, this is nothing but yeah, I will add. Don't worry, please wait. So these are nothing but what we have, some basic program. The next one, what I have here is, sir, program to find maximum and minimum element. Okay, so maximum and minimum element, so present in an array. Okay, I want to write a program to find maximum and minimum element present in an array. So it is also something like easy program only. Sir, what we have to do, you need max and minimum, right? So declare two variables. Oh, sorry. So you have to declare two variables, one is max, another one is nothing but min. So yeah, please listen carefully how I am going to use the logic. Sir, just you have to think the real time scenario, sir. Okay, for example, do you know, just think with the real world. Sir, I think 3 days back, just I was going to my village. Okay, so I have purchased some. Okay, so I have purchased some apples, I put it into a box. Okay, so in this container, sir, we have apples are there. Okay, sir, in my village, okay, sir, my uncle's daughter is there. Okay, sir, I have given a small apple which is very beautiful. I have given this apple to, okay, so that girl. Okay, sir, she felt very happy and she has taken this and enjoying. But sir, his brother is there. Okay, this kid brother is there, so he is requested me for the same kind of apple. Then what I have done, so there is no same size apple. Sir, I have taken the first apple, I compared with another apple. Okay, sir, it is larger, so keep ahead. Sir, I have taken this apple and I compared with it. Like this, I'm trying to compare within these 10 apples. I'm trying to compare and find out the minimum, I mean the size less apple, okay, which is very small, and I have taken and I have given to this person. Yes, sir, if the data is very small, you can able to compare by yourself by using your brain. Sir, if the data is, suppose consider 1 lakh apples are there, how you can able to compare? That is the reason why computing is there, right? So we have to give this as a input to some mission. That mission will calculate and it will check. Have you observed in nowadays everything is a automated, sir? There will be a container. Okay, here some limits will be there. Okay, suppose if you are throwing all the apples here, so the apple which is having highest weight will be sorted here. The next level weight will be sorted here. The next level weight will be sorted here. The next level weight will be sorted here. Like that, automation is there. Okay, so how these algorithms are working? Based on sorting only, I mean based on comparing only. So forget about this, I am talking about this. Sir, I have taken the first apple, I compared with remaining apples. Suppose if I got any small apple, then in my point of view, this is the small apple, and I will take the comparison by using this one. Is there any apple which is less than this size? Like that I will do, right? So this kind of thing we have to apply, sir, while calculating minimum and maximum element present in the array. So now what I'm going to do is, sir, I will take a big apple in my basket is nothing but, assume I have 10 apples are there. Sir, I will take the first apple, whatever I got in my hand. That apple is biggest apple. That the decision I am thinking in my mind. Then what I will do, sir, already in the 10 apples, one apple is there with me. Then start from second apple. That is in array, second means what? 2 minus 1, 1. And I less than a dot length. Array, compare that apple, whatever you have taken. Sir, whatever you have taken, that apple is the highest weight apple, big apple you are going to consider. Okay. Sir, now what you have to do? Just a second. One emergency call from office. Hello. Yeah. So let me have a look here. Sir, first we are going to take the first maximum is there in my hand. So whatever maximum apple is there in my hand, I am going to feel this is the maximum element. Now what you have to do, you need to compare. Okay, you have to compare this maximum value with remaining all the elements. That is nothing but E of I. Okay. Sir, other than the apple which is there in your hand, if any apple you got as a bigger apple, then what will happen? You will keep the apple whatever there in your hand on the basket, and you will take that apple because that is the maximum, right? Like that we are going to do comparison. So now it will become max is equal to E of I. So next time onwards, your maximum apple is nothing but the apple which you got recently. So like that, one by one comparisons are going to be done. At last, whatever result you are getting is nothing but maximum value what we have in your array. Okay. So, okay, like this we have to take, right? Sir, let me execute this code. Will it works or not? Have you observed? Sir, the program compiled fine. I am taking Java space test. 5 elements I am giving. Sir, first 3, then 2. Sir, then 5. Okay. Sir, then 2. Okay. Next and after that 4 I am giving. Sir, what is the maximum element? Sir, first time your maximum element will become, sir, in my hand, sir, max will become first element. So I will take 3. So now I will select the second item. Sir, is the value of 3 is less than when compared with 1? Condition is false because 3 is the biggest, not 1. Then take the next element. Sir, your max value is less than 5. Yes, sir. Condition is true. That means some element is there which is maximum than your number. So replace this with 5. Next time, don't take 3 because max got updated. Sir, is 5 is less than the next element 2? No, sir. Sir, take the next element. Is 5 is less than 4? No, sir. Sir, take the next element. Sorry, the list has been completed. Now what you have to do? Okay, sir, just you have to print the maximum value whatever we got, which is nothing but 5. Okay, which is nothing but 5. So this is the way how this maximum element, how you can able to find out. Sir, how to calculate minimum? Sir, same algorithm, right? Whatever operation we have done, in the reverse you need to take. Minimum is equal to same the element, but here if minimum, okay sir, is greater than, okay, if any other element got a minimum, then you have to replace minimum is equal to something, and your minimum will become, sir, this minimum. That's all. Very simple operation. Okay, now sir, I want to execute this code. Okay, now listen carefully. Sir, I am giving 5. I am the elements are nothing but sir, 3, 5. Okay, sir, 2, 4, and then 1. Sir, your maximum value is 5 and minimum value is nothing but 1. Like this we are getting. Okay, hope you people got very clear clarity about how you can able to find out maximum element and minimum element present in the array, right? Any doubts up to this? Please confirm, sir. Any doubts up to this? I request everyone to please respond. Sir, sorry to say, in the middle, I am using some Telugu words. Okay. So my mother tongue Telugu words I am using. Please try to ignore because uh, from the last 2 days, I am taking one special batch. Okay. So there some Telugu people are there. So they are keep on asking the doubts in Telugu. Okay. So that's why maximum I will avoid, but meanwhile, if it is coming, try to ignore. Right. Ajit is telling, meanwhile, we will learn Telugu. Yeah, very good, very good. Yes. Good, good. Yes. Right. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Like how you can able to find out maximum element and minimum element present in the array. Okay. Some people are asking, sir, how you can able to find out second maximum, second minimum? Don't worry, tomorrow we are going to spend more on that. Okay, there I will explain. Okay, right. Sir, next. Okay, next. Sir, what is my next operation in arrays? Okay, what is the next operation that I want to do in arrays is nothing but, listen carefully, sir, very, very important. So implement a program, sir, to replace, okay, to replace, sir, old element, okay, old element, so with, okay, old element with so new element. I want to perform replacement of old element with new element. This is nothing but what I have. Sir, please listen carefully how it is going to be updated. So maybe I am going to explain 2 to 3 versions for this. Okay, and one version is there in my mind, but I don't know whether it is going to work or not. Let us solve together. Okay, with your help, at least is it possible to solve that problem or not? I will get the confident. If anywhere I am doing mistake, or if I am not getting the logic, you people have to guide me. Okay, first we will see what is this problem statement. Sir, we have to replace already existing element with new element. That is our task. Sir, for this, I am removing the previous code. Now listen carefully, friends. So I don't want these values. Okay. Now, sir, I want to print the elements first of all. Okay. So system dot out dot println of so array elements. Okay. Array elements. So before update. Okay. Before updation, these are the array elements. Sir, what are the array elements? I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Okay. So I plus plus like this I'm taking. Better I will try to print on a single line. A of I followed by some space I am giving. Right. Sir, now same statement I need to take. Okay. Same statement I need to take system dot out dot println. So array elements, sir, after updates. So here I want to write logic. Sir, what is this logic? Sir, I want to perform which operation? Update operation, right? So what are the required variables? Sir, maybe old element, then new element. These two things I required. So we have to read the data or not? Yes. So system dot out dot println of, sir, enter old element. Okay. So system dot out dot println of, sir, enter new element. Like this, I am asking the user. Sir, whatever old element that they have given, sir, I am going to copy it into old element because the data which we have given in the array is integer. So that's why I am going to read in the form of next int, right? Sir, data acceptance completed. What is our next duty? Array, simple, take a loop which is going to retrieve all the elements present in the array. So in this loop, if anywhere, okay, if anywhere that old element, okay, if anywhere that old element is replaced with new element, if anywhere that old element, I mean, if that whatever element that you are taking, okay, so if it is a old element, that means whatever element you have given, if that element got, then what we have to do? Sir, you have to update a of I is equal to new element. That's all. Simple logic. Okay. So this is nothing but what we are going to do. First, we will check how it is going to work. Okay. Sir, now Java space test I am giving. Listen carefully. Array size is 5. Sir, what are the 5 elements? Sir, you can give separated by space. No problem. Sir, 1, 3. Okay. Sir, 2, 4, 5 I am giving. Sir, array elements before update is nothing but so 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Enter old element. Sir, I want to replace, enter new element. I want to replace with 999. Sir, after update, sir, is the values got updated or not? Previously 13245 is there. Now 13, sir, 99945 is there. That means the element got updated or not? Yes. Sir, now I have a small query here. Okay. So what is that query here is, just a second, sir, please wait. Yeah. So what is my query here is, sir, consider I want to take like this. So array size 5, I am giving 1 2. Okay, sir, again 1 2 3 like this. Sir, enter old element. Sir, 2. Enter new element. I want to replace with 9. Have you observed how many times 2 is there? Those many times updation has been performed, right? Every element got updated. I can say this is nothing but my version 1. Okay, my version 1. Sir, what is the first version? So version number 1 is nothing but update all occurrences. Okay, update all occurrences is nothing but first version. Okay, sir, here the output what we got for this program, sir, for your understanding purpose, I am copy pasting output also. Please try to recognize this. Now, sir, version number 2. What is the second version? Can you please update only, sir, first occurrence? Okay, I want to replace only first occurrence. Sir, how you can able to do this? Very simple, sir. Correct. Sir, after doing this, good, good. Everyone is telling good answer. Excellent. Sir, after first time execution, okay, after first time execution, sir, you can use a break. Okay, after first execution, you can use a break. Sir, once if you use a break, what will happen? It will come out, right? Okay, sir, it will come out, right? So then updations want to be performed. Now listen carefully. I am executing, sir, 5. I am giving 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3, again 1 2. Okay, sir, enter old element. Sir, 2, enter new element, 8. Have you observed? Only the first occurrence got to be updated, rest of the occurrences are not updated. Only first occurrence got updated, not all the occurrences. I can say this is nothing but a second version which will update only first occurrence, right? Sir, now I want to update second occurrence. Okay, version number 3. Sir, update only second occurrence. Okay, sir, how you can able to do this? How you can able to do this? Any idea? I not continue. Not continue. Okay, sir, listen carefully. Integer, you have to maintain a counter. Yeah, good, 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 very good, Chaitanya, correct. Safi Uddin, correct, correct. So what we have to do, sir, whenever the new element came, okay, whenever a new element came, sir, then I am doing which operation? Count plus plus. So what will happen? How many times that old element is existed in the array list, every time that the count value will be incremented. So if count is equal to 2, that means it is a second occurrence. Sir, if it is a second occurrence, can you please substitute with a new element and then break the loop? Only second occurrence is going to be updated. Now listen carefully. Sir, I am giving the size of the array as a 7. Sir, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2. Sir, 1 2 3, 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, like this I am giving. Sir, observe carefully. So enter old element. Sir, old element is nothing but new element 44. Sir, where that 44 got updated? In the second occurrence? Yes. So we have done 3 cases. What is the first case? Update every element. That means no need to take any condition. So update only first occurrence. First time after execution, you can use break. Sir, second occurrence means we have to count. So first occurrence you have to ignore. Second occurrence you have to take. Sir, for third occurrence also same program. For fourth occurrence also same program, right? Like this you have to do, sir. Okay, sir, I think you people got very clear clarity about these 3 versions. Can you please confirm any doubts on these 3 versions? Sir, everyone please confirm. I request every student to please respond. Sir, right, sir. Last one, version number 4. Sir, I want to do last occurrence. Can you please tell me the solution for this last occurrence? Sir, initially I don't know how to do this, but I have some logic in my mind. But while explaining this, I got another logic. Good, good. Safiuddin, correct. Yes, correct. Very good, very good. Everyone is telling correct answer. So we have to reverse the array. We have to take reverse. So whatever operation we have done, this is the operation that you have to do. Same first occurrence, how you have implemented, same style. But the problem here is you have to start the array from a dot length minus 1, because you know a dot length will return always the number of apples present in the box. Suppose if 10 apples are there, it will return 10. But how you are going to count? We are the innocent people. We will start counting from 0, not from 1. So, but generally we will start counting first apple, second apple, like this. But since we are programmers, we will start 0th apple, first apple, second apple, up to 9th apple. That's why in the reverse, if you want 9th apple, you have to take first. That's why, so a dot length minus 1, and here automatically it will become greater than or equal to 0, and it will become a minus minus. That's all. Okay, so now is the algorithm is going to work or not? Yes, definitely. Okay, sir, now observe carefully. So I want to take Just a second. Yeah, right. So enter array size. I'm giving 6. So the elements are nothing but 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2. Okay, sir, again 5. Like this, I'm taking. Sir, enter old element. Who is the old element? Sir, new element is nothing but a 7. Have you observed? Is the last occurrence got modified or not? Yes. So this is the way what we have. And if they are asking last before occurrence, whatever we have done in the previous case, same concept you have to use, sir. Okay. Same concept you have to use. Just you have to count from the reverse and you have to update. Okay. Right. Sir, I think so. Maybe I don't know whether you people are having the concept of this in your mind previous to this class or no, I don't know, sir, but I think now you got how this replacement operation is going to be performed, right? Any doubts on this? Can you please confirm? Any doubts on this? Right, sir. Next, sir, same program. Okay, same program. same program with one more modification. Have a look once. So what is that program is nothing but, sir, program to replace. Okay, program to replace. So old element. Okay, yeah, yeah, complexity will be same. So program to replace. Okay, program to replace uh, the given location, with sir, a new element. I want to replace, sir, a given location with new element. How you can able to do, sir? Here the comparisons is based on, okay, here the comparisons is based on index values, right? Can you please tell me which formula we have to use? Right. So the next thing here is, everything is same right here. So here we have to take index value. Okay, here I'm going to take index value. Okay, I think there is no variable we can take. So enter index value, enter index value where you want to replace. Okay, enter index value, sir. Then you have to accept that index and which should be stored in index. So then enter new element. Yeah, formulas are correct, everyone is telling correct answer, but you need to check one small condition, sir. Okay, so if uh, what values should be there for this index? This index should be always greater than 0. Okay, and this index value should be always less than a dot length, right? So like this we should have, sir. Then you can replace, sir, a of index is equal to that new element whatever you are giving. Otherwise what I will tell, okay, sir, system dot out dot println of, I can say, sir, array index out of bound exception. Like this I will print. So let me run this code. So Java space test, sir, 6 elements are there. So what are the 6 elements? Let me take, sir, 10 20. Okay, so 30 40, so 50 60, like this. Sir, enter index value. I want to change third value, third location, that means 2. Sir, which value you want to update? 90. Sir, have you observed array elements after update? Okay, something like this. Sir, now I want to run one more time. Array size is 6. Sir, the 6 elements are nothing but something like this we have. Let me take a 10. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Sir, enter index value. Ninth index I want to update. Is the ninth index is available? No. Then what will happen? It is asking for new element. No problem. You can control that in your program. Sir, have you observed array index out of bound exception? So the array elements after update, as it is, whatever elements are there, as it is we are getting. So if you want, you can check this condition and you can take this enter new element in this, so that when it will ask for new element, so whenever the index value is within the range, then only it will ask, otherwise it will be skipped. That you can do, I think so. So better I'm not executing, just I will take here. Okay, I'm not executing one more time. So just I will copy paste. And what will be the output for this program, sir? The program will be same. Okay, the output is the same, just only for index. If the index value is not available, it won't ask for new elements. That's all. Okay, sir, hope you people got very clear clarity about this, right? Any doubts, friends, up to this, please confirm. Right, sir. So thank you. So that's all about today's session. Rest of the things we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, core Java morning batch is there. UK, you have asked from the day one. Already it is started. So 8:15 a.m. Okay, 8:15 a.m. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I will upload. So you can contact already, the sessions started. You can contact admin team and you can pay. Okay. Otherwise, post your mobile number in the chat window. I will ask the admin people to contact you. Can you please post your number on the chat window? You are from India, right? Right. So they will call you within a few minutes. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. 7386237319. This is my WhatsApp number. Please send your name, your register email ID to this number if you are not there in WhatsApp. Okay. Right. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation.